if you remember, we started off with things like this, the simple exponent things, like 6 to the third power means 6 times 6 times 6. And remember, that's not 18. I wish I had $1 for every time someone tells me that's 18. That's not 18, right? What is that? Whatever 36 times 6 is, 216? Yes? And we did things like be careful of the difference between this and this, right? This, when there's parentheses, that means to multiply the whole thing. When there's not parentheses, it means do 3 times 3, and then when you're all done, take the negative of it. So what is that? And it makes a difference, right? 3 times 3, and then take the opposite. This one means take -3 times -3. What else did we do? We added and subtracted polynomials. Remember, if you're going to add 2x squared minus 5, and you're going to add to that when you're adding, you don't really care if there's parentheses, right? You don't need parentheses. Plus x squared minus x minus 7. And then all you really need to do is combine the like terms. Combine the like terms. Combine the like terms. I've got this. What does that give me? I know you're not going to answer today. 3x take away 1x. How many x's do I have? 3x take away 1x? Good, yes, 2x. And then I have -5 and -7. Yes? Right? And if I wanted to subtract those two, now, instead of adding, now I'm going to subtract. So the first set of parentheses, you just leave it alone, right? 2x squared plus 3x minus 5. But now remember, we're subtracting all of these. Everybody usually remembers to minus the x squared. But don't forget, you're subtracting the rest. You're subtracting -x. What do you get when you subtract a negative? Right, it's like adding it. Subtract -x is adding x. Subtract -7. And once you do that, then you're just combining like terms again, right? Right? 2x squared minus an x squared. What's 2 take away 1, boys and girls? Donahue, are you dead? Oh, were you looking at your phone?
Yeah.
I thought you were hunched over.
No.
Dead.
All right.
Whew. 3x plus x. -5 plus 7. Right, good, yes. What else did we do in this section? Chapter. What else did we do? Things like this. things like that, things like that. What do you get? Remember, for this, you multiply 3 times 4 is 12. N squared, n to the 4th, right? Then we also did things like this. Remember doing those, where you have to use the distributive law? You have to use the distributive law. What do you get? 3n squared and 15n. And then remember we did stuff like that. You have to start here. Multiply times both. 3n squared. 3n times 5, what is that? All right, 15n. And then move over. Here you get -4 times -5. Sorry, +4. -4 times +5, -20. And then you have a couple like terms in the middle you can combine. 3n squared plus 11n. Right? We did that. What else did we do? Oh yeah, we did things like this. We did things like 3n. Remember that? When you have it outside the parentheses, goes with both of those. So I have 3 to the 3rd power and n to the 3rd power. What is 3 to the 3rd power? Please don't tell me 9. 27. Oh, good. 27, thank you. And then n to the 3rd, you can't really do anything like that, right? And also remember, if we had something like this, x squared y remember, outside goes with everything, right? So 3 squared, you know what 3 squared is. But I have x squared raised to the 2nd. What do you do to those? Multiply or add? Right, good, yes, you multiply. 2 times 2 is 4. To the 3rd, to the 2nd, multiply. And z to the multiply. We're on fire today. Did that. I think that's about it. Whew, not all that much. Oh, yeah, you guys can see that, I hope. So that's about all I have for you. That's about all we did. That's about all we did. Hopefully they can see if I put it here. They can see. All right, I gotta move this. So today then, I have a little review for you to work on.